Okay, so till now, the iterator in our loops is increasing by 1. What if we want to increase the iterator by 2 or some other number? Let's see how we can do that. So, the increment in a loop is known as a step in Kotlin. By default, this step is set to 1. But if we want to change the value of step for a program, we can manually define it. So let's open our IDE and define a step in the for loop. This is how we can do it. In these brackets, we simply add the word step and the value for which we want to set it. So here, the step is set to 2. That is, the loop will now run from 1 to 10 and will increment by 2 at each iteration. Let's look at the output. Yes, we get the expected results. Now, let us do the same thing for the while and do-while loops. This is how we can do it. Let's look at the output for each of these. And yes, we get the expected results. So till now, we are only doing increment in our loops. What if we want to run a loop to print all the numbers from 10 to 1 instead of from 1 to 10? How will we do this? Let's open our IDE and learn how to do it. So we write a program using the for loop. But here, we write the condition to be in 10 down to 1. So we simply write the range to be 10 to 1 and instead of the 2 dots, we use the down to keyword. Now let's run this program. Yes, we get the results. You can also mention the step here to be 2 or any other number. Go try it out. Now let's do the same thing using while and do-while loops. So for the while loop, instead of writing I++ here, we use the decrement operator and write I-. Similarly, for the do-while loop here, we write K-. Now let's run these programs and see the output. Yes, we get the expected results. So that was all about loops. Keep practicing.